Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out this awesome, brilliant uncirculated 50 years of the 50p anniversary coin. And this is how it's presented in the Royal Mint handbag, front and back. And of course I'm going to do my usual thing now, where I open mine up, and if you bought this coin and don't want to take it out of the packaging, you can see exactly how it's all presented and all the information that you get. So that's a lot clearer now. And I'm going to show you all the information inside, and as usual, if I am moving too quickly, feel free to pause and read at your own pace. Now with this, I just want to make sure that I get all of that in as one, because this talks about the design of this specific 50p coin. So one of the things you'll notice is that this one has new pence, just like the old 50p coin. The newer ones have 50p written on them. And then the next is these two images, which focus in on two of the tips of the coin. One has A, another has E. And the information says, the coin bears special marks in recognition of the science and engineering behind the seven-sided shape. On the outer rim of the reverse, the letters A through G appear on each point and are joined by arced crossing lines, a minting first on a 50p coin. So it goes A from there and all the way around to G. Sorry, A through G. And you will not be able to see that on the coin when I show it to you. You actually need probably a little scope. The next little feature that you'll see is next to the 50 there is this image. And it says, there is a secondary mark on the reverse, a spirograph type design drawn from an extension of lines forming the 50p shape. So that's pretty cool. You will be able to see that when I show off the coin in a second. So let's just have a look at this side now. And then we're back round to the back. And there's a little bit of information right there. And now we can check out the coin specs. So the denomination is 50p, the alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters, the quality brilliant uncirculated. And then the obverse designer is Jody Clark and reverse designer Christopher Ironside. So let's have a look at the coin itself. We'll start off by having a look at the obverse. See if I can get that better in the light there. There we go. 2019, Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. And now let's have a look at the reverse of the coin. So let's just see if I can get that better in the light. There we go. So you might be able to make out the A through G on the corners, but you can definitely see that extra mint mark just by there. So I think that this coin is really cool and obviously a great celebration. 50 years of the 50p coin. I'm glad that they did something. So let me know in the comments section below, did you buy this? And if so, what version did you get? This is the brilliant uncirculated. Did anybody get the silver proof or the gold proof? Let me know in the comments section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.